Alright, let's try a chunk of brass. Wow. Okay. Okay. There you go. Oh, that's the wheels here. Could add more power. Interesting, huh? Alright. The other way. There we go. That's with this motor. Although induction motors at a steady pace are, in my opinion, a little better than these variable speed things. Is it warm? Oh, a little bit. And I added grease, which is Vaseline, to this pulley. Unfortunately, I got some on the belt. Ho ho ho. Which makes it slip a bit. Anyway, I'm very happy with this piece. It works good. Vintage lathe chuck. Only one control here. Normally the modern ones have three. Let's see how that's tight. Then I have a live center, which I can press in there, various sizes, or a drill for drilling holes. It's this guy came with only these jaws. Now what I could do is replace this chuck with a 3-jaw modern chuck. It has a bit stronger grips. But maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't know. Everything else is nice and cold. So this compound works great on this cataract lathe as well as the head tailstock. Nice, extremely tight, like never used. I don't think it was ever used, any of this stuff. It's sitting somewhere forever and somebody decided to get rid of it. This is an eBay item from 10 years ago, I think. The cut's excellent. This I repaired with new T-nuts underneath. The one was missing, so I copied it on a milling machine, and a perfect, nice tight fit. So this one here, it takes a good length, a piece of metal or something. I did already steel. Where did I put the steel bar? Oh, down here. So I cut that out. And then the rubber piece I had from a wringer washer. It was all rubber, by the way, so that's why all that stuff here is rubber peeling off. So I guess they used a lot of rubber in making wringer washing things. I don't know what this piece of dome steel. I think it is dome. Yeah, it is dome. No seam in the middle. So that cut nice. A time to clean up. So what I like about this is you can face off large chunks of material. And how do you move this? Well, you got this down here. I built this. You move this, unlock. Like so. It's no cataract stuff, you know. Like so. And this slides up and down here. Same as the Elgin lathe kind of idea. Then you tighten it by just tightening it up like here. So that's the old split bed lathe. Kind of cool. You only got a limited space for moving back and forth this way. But they were popular turn of the century, your 1890s. I'm curious if this got a name on it. I think I mentioned it before. I got light. I have light. Let's take a look. Oh. Stark Tooling Company. Oh, love it. Number 4. Wow. That's what this guy is. I don't think I have a Stark compound. Let me think. I don't know. I got so many of these things. I might have. I'm happy with this compound. And that's C.O. Ames Company in Massachusetts, which made these high precision tools and mini lathes. Turn of the century. It's just in mint condition. Very tight tailstock, like from the factory. So, in my opinion, it never was used that much, if anything. Yeah, so everything seems to work great. Cuts nice. Gotta improve my sharpening ability here and get that a little sharper. The tool cutter itself. And all in all, it's awesome. Okay, well that's the end of that story. So you see it's mounted on the wheels, which is interesting unto itself, which I put there. That handle shouldn't be there. I might remove that because it's kind of offsets some, sets up certain vibrations at high speed. If I had two handles, it would be equal inertial fun stuff. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Sound on the roof. Well, it's the ravens having fun. I don't know what they do up there, but they run around and make all kinds of sounds. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up.